Hey, Taylor here. So what do these things represent? What does this mean? Well, I have created from this little mold, which is at most craft stores in the baking section for chocolate, into this cute little ring holder, ring dish. It's resin alcohol ink poured in there, so it went face down, and that's how it looked. Then when it was at the demolding stage before it was fully cured, I simply took it, wrapped it securely, taped it down. You can use masking tape or whatever tape you want. You don't have to use a soup spoon, but you want to tape across the middle first and then tape around the corners of each part, and you let it sit for a couple of days, preferably in a warm area where it will cure. This one's still not fully cured, but is cured enough to keep its shape at this point. Then you untape it, and here you have your wonderful little ring dish. Now you may notice that the interior is kind of matte, so you can either come back in here with more resin, which is probably what I'll do to make it shine, and that'll probably fill in these little recesses as well. So that's what I've been up to lately, and it'll look really nice with that finish on it, and then that will cure again, and have a nice shiny little ring dish. It's easy, it's fast. You can use any of the art resins out there to do it. It's a lot easier than pouring acrylic paint, I suppose, but it's still pouring something. So hey, thank you for dropping by. Go do something different. Hopefully I'll be doing more pouring videos in the future now that I'm only using premix paint. Don't really like them, they're stinky, but that's what I got now. Have a great day. Bye.